Hello friends, welcome to Azure. In this video, we'll first learn how to install Azure CLI 2.x on Windows machine, and then we'll run a command to access the cloud resources. Okay, so that being said, let's begin the video. So here is my browser and I'm just going to type download Azure CLI. So just go to the very first website. It says install the Azure CLI. Click on this one. And then here you see, so here you can see there are different variants available to install Azure CLI, one for Windows, then we have for Mac OS, and if you guys are using Linux, then you can go for these links. Okay, but as part of this video, we'll first go and install the Azure CLI on Windows machine. So I simply go and click on this link, install on Windows. Here is the link to get the latest release of Azure CLI. Just click on this one. Okay, so this is going to download the exe installation file on my desktop. You can see the progress here. Okay, let me open. Now here is my exe file. I'll simply double click on this one. Accept. Yes. I can see the progress here. So you can see it's about to finish. Thing is, yeah, now you can see it's done. It's complete. I'll simply click on finish. Finish. Okay, now let's verify the installation. So what I will do is I'll simply go and open the Windows command prompt that you can see here on my screen. And now you have to type the command called az-version. Hit enter. Okay, now here you see the response of this command. The command which I entered is az-version, and here I can see my CLI version and then other things. And here you can see that your CLI is up to date. So everything is good, right? Now let's go and try to do something else. I'll just type the command. I will log in into my Azure in my cloud account just by using my CLI. So the command is az-login and I'm just gonna hit enter. Okay, so when I typed the command az-login, it prompted me to log in the Azure portal. So I already have my ID, my email. So it says that you have logged in into your Microsoft Azure account. Let's go back to the, okay. So here it is. I can see that it says you have logged in. Now, so once you have logged in your Azure, your cloud account, you can do whatever you want to do. You can create a new virtual machine, you can create a new resource, or you can manage all your resources just by running commands on Azure CLI. Okay, so what I will do is just let me run one command. I just want to list out all the resources which are there under my subscription. So I'll just type the command Azure group. Group is like resource group, and I just want to see the output in the tabular format. Oh, I think I made a mistake. Okay, it's good. So now here you can see that I just have one resource called network watcher RZ resource. Location is East US. Okay, in my account. Okay, so this is how you can install Azure CLI and you can run commands to verify the installation, and you can run the command Azure space login to access your cloud account. Okay, so thank you for watching and please do subscribe my channel. Bye.